How does the rule of law guide state supreme courts? Imagine a system where every individual, regardless of their position or power, is subject to the same set of established rules. This is the essence of the rule of law, a fundamental principle that shapes the functioning of the highest courts within each state. State supreme courts serve as the ultimate judicial authority in their jurisdictions, and their decisions are guided by the core tenets of the rule of law to ensure fairness, consistency, and justice. At the heart of this guidance is the principle that laws must be clear, publicly accessible, and applied equally to all citizens. State supreme courts interpret and uphold these laws, ensuring that they align with constitutional principles and do not infringe upon individual rights. When cases involving constitutional questions or disputes over the application of laws arise, these courts analyze the statutes in question to determine whether they comply with the state constitution and the overarching principles of justice. The rule of law also emphasizes the importance of judicial independence. State supreme courts operate free from external pressures or political influence, allowing them to make impartial decisions based solely on legal merits. This independence is vital for maintaining public confidence in the judicial system and for safeguarding the rights of individuals against potential abuses of power. Another key aspect is the obligation of courts to provide consistent and predictable rulings. By adhering to established legal precedents and principles, state supreme courts help create a stable legal environment. This consistency ensures that citizens and government entities can rely on legal standards when making decisions or planning actions, fostering trust in the justice system. Furthermore, the rule of law guides state supreme courts to ensure that laws are applied fairly and without bias. They review lower court decisions to correct errors and uphold justice, reinforcing the idea that no one is above the law. This oversight role helps prevent arbitrary or unjust rulings and promotes equality before the law. In summary, the rule of law acts as a foundational guide for state supreme courts by ensuring laws are clear, applied equally, interpreted impartially, and upheld consistently. It empowers these courts to serve as guardians of justice, maintaining the balance between government authority and individual rights within each state.